How to fix Instagram filter effects missing on iPhone. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to Instagram. You have to refresh the application. Close the application and reopen it. It should fix the issue. If not, head over to Profile at the bottom right corner and then click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, scroll down and click on Logout. Click on Yes, Continue or No Logout Now. Once you have logged out, re-log in into your account and it should fix the issue. If not, head over to your App Store and in the address bar, search for Instagram. Click on this app. If you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, click on update and update the application. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.